how to change the font, the scale, make it bold, underline, Italic, and also how to design a text in MS Word. In this video, we are going to talk about these. In the name of Allah, hi guys, welcome back. Here is Wali Ahmad Muhammadi with another lesson of learning Microsoft Word. And in this video, we are going to talk about the font group in Home tab. In this group, we have the styles of the font here, so you can change the fonts and the scale of the text. And all the things that we are going to do are the designs and something that affects on our text. So first of all, let me select or block this piece of text that I have written. I already in the previous video talked about how to select or how to block a piece of paragraph or a text. So now I took this and I'm going to go to these fonts. You can see I can change the font in any design that I want or any font that I want. Just I will click on that, that will be changed. The next section is the scale of our text. So I can make it till 72 and then it can be 14 or 16. Most of the cases the books are between 12 or 14, and sometimes it becomes 16, but most of the time it's 12, 11 or 14. So now I will make it a little bigger. 14 is enough for us. And we have two buttons here. One is for increasing the scale and is increasing the size of the text, and the other one is for decreasing. So I will if I click, you can see the size changes 2 times, 28, 36, 48, and much more. It's no change. There is no difference if I change it here or if I click on these buttons. There are some shortcuts that you should learn. The first one is for increasing. It is Control Shift. Let me show you on screen keyboard. That's much more better. You should press Control Shift with this. It will make your text bigger, and if you click on this, it will make your text smaller. Or it will decrease the size, it will increase the size. Decrease and increase. That was it. If you want to try that, to write something here, you can. I can press 30. And if I enter, you can see the style and the size changes. If you also want to increase 1 by 1 or decrease 1 by 1, yes, you can do that. Just you should do. Let me show you something here. You should press Control with this. With this, it will increase just 1, and if you press Control, press this button, it will decrease the size 1 by 1, not more than that. The other section that we are going to have is this section. Let me make a paragraph to learn this much more better. I will decrease the size. 14 is 20, 12 is better for us. I will use from round. Let's make it a little bit bigger because our font is small. Around, and then I will press enter. You can see that I have 5 paragraphs here. I will block this paragraph, and then I will go to here. We have sentence case. Sentence case is something that the first word, the first character of your paragraph, your sentence will be capitalized, and the other not. The best cases for us sentence case. We have lowercase. All the characters or all the alphabets will be in lowercase, uppercase, everything will be in uppercase. And then the next section, capitalize each word. It will capitalize each word. It means all the characters of the all the first characters of the words will be capitalized. And the second section is toggle case. The first letter of each word will be in lowercase. So that was it. The best one is for a sentence case, so I will put that on sentence case too. The other section that we are going to read is bold, italic, and underline. Bold, make our text more bold, or make the text bold. You can also press Ctrl B. Italic will italic that, and underline will underline that. If I click here, I can change the line that we have under our text. We have different types of lines. If I don't want, I will press this one. Also, let me tell you that if I change I will press on this type of underline. If I change the color, I can. So I will press on red or any type of the color that you want. You can just press on that color, and then it will change the color to that too. Another thing that I'm going to tell you is a strikethrough. Strikethrough is something like that, and it will let me block this line. And I will go to home. Again, I will press on a strikethrough. A strikethrough is something that will write, or that will put a line on your text. It's used sometimes. That's something that you do not want to delete that. You do not want to remove that. You want to remain, but it's important, but it is removed from your book, so you can use from this strikethrough. The other section, the other thing that I'm going to talk about, let me go to another page here. Go to home, and then we have these buttons. What are these? Let me write something, hello, and then I want to write something above here, so I will click on this, hello, and how are you? That is something like that. Or also we can use that for writing mathematical issues. If I write 2 power 2, I can use from this one. It is superscript, and we have subscript here too. The other issue that I'm going to say is subscript. Subscript will write under your text. So if I press on 2, and then let me click on this, and if I write 2, I will write X subscript 2, and much more you can use from this subscript and superscript that we have here. The other issue is, I'm not going to talk about this section. In the next video we are going to talk, and this is highlighter. If you press on that, you can highlight any paragraph that you want. Also you can change the color. Now you can see the color changed, and if you want, you can. If you do not want the highlighter, you just press no color and choose the paragraph. It will change it. If you do not want to highlight anything, so you can see that I'm also on highlighting, you can press on stop highlighting, or you can also press here. The next thing that I'm going to talk is to change the color of your text. If you press, the color can be these things that you want, and you can choose from these standard colors. And if you don't see the color that is in your idea, you can press on more colors and find or make your color too. Let me press on here, select this, and then the color I have choose. Where is that color? More colors, custom. Yeah, my color is going to be this. Yeah, okay. So you can see the color changed. And the next section is gradient. Gradient is used to have you want to use 2 or more colors. You can use from gradient. We have these ready to use gradients. If you want to make gradients, you will click on more gradient here. Later we are going to talk about what's gradient here, how to use that. Step by step you will learn everything. But for this video, you can just click on gradient and use from these ready to use gradients and nothing more. I will press here, and then you can see it's more darker here and more lighter here. Dark and light. That's double gradient. Also, there was something that I haven't told you. What's this? It is clear all formatting. If you have any format on your text, just press on this and it will change it to the base format that we had before. Everything we are going to talk about, everything we read and we know, that was changing the font of the paragraph, the size of your paragraph, and also you can make it sentence case, lowercase, uppercase, clear the format, make it bold, italic, underline, choose the design of your underline, strike through, superscript, subscript, highlight, and also changing the color of your text. That was it. In the next video, we are going to talk about the paragraph and also how to style your text, specifically how to make it, how to make your text to have shadow, reflection, outline, glow, or anything else. We are going to talk about that in the next video. Have a great time. See you soon, inshallah. Goodbye.